Looks dope. I've got a couple other versions of Slash here and some other Best Action Turtles. So this is Best Action Slash from the 87 series. In that series, Slash was Bebop's pet turtle, and then they mutated him so he could do chores for them. And in the comics, he was from space at that time, so that goes on there. And in the 2012 series, he was Raph's pet turtle. That's kind of loose. That's really loose. Maybe it's upside down or lock on to his horns or something. Alright, that's cool, but that's really loose. Alright, still cool, but I could shorten that, just cut it and then glue it maybe one day. We'll see. I didn't think I was ever going to customize this guy, but that's something to do. And maybe add some wash to the guns or lasers or looks dope. This, would you hold that? I guess two-handed. He's got other hands. So one's like a kind of reaching out hand. One's like a kind of... So he's got other hands. One's a reaching out hand, and the other is a holding hand, like a trigger holding hand. Alright, yeah, that holds the gun. Alright, that goes in that hand. He's got 31 points of articulation. So double elbow, throwing action, but you have to know the sweet moves. He doesn't do it on his own. Got a skull on his belt. That's sick. A sticker. They all come with a sticker. Got a double knee and the foot spins or all swivels and tilts. He can like kick his shoulder pretty much. So that's good articulation. Bicep swivel. The head turns. And go all the way around. Nice detail on the shell. So that's him with the Leonardo of the same generation. He came in a bigger box. I guess he's a little thicker, or he has this jetpack, which could use like a wash and maybe a little color if I ever customize this guy. So he's just a little taller than the Leonardo of Michelangelo. I made the hat and pants. That was a while back. And also this is him with 2012 series Slash. They're about the same height. The 2012 Flash is Slash, not Flash. He's thicker, he's chunkier, he's got a small head, but I'm going to use this guy to make Toka from the IDW comics. That's why I got him just recently from AliExpress. And then the toy that Playmates made for the 1987 series, he's pretty small, almost half the size. This is an awesome figure. And then I have the Super 7, and he's just a bigger, more detailed version of this guy. Well, just bigger, and then more paint, or more color. Awesome figure. But yeah, I've wanted this guy since I saw him a long time ago, and then I finally got him, and that was like 2 months ago, and I didn't have time to open him, so finally I could, so that's awesome. Thanks for joining me while I do it. And I'll see if I find an Amazon link, I'll put in the description. But yeah, he's dope. Saturday is going to be from Mutant Mayhem. I'm doing Leatherhead, so until then, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.